Hey Kickstarter, I'm Pascal, and this is the Joue play. And today we're gonna have people see it for the first time.
Let's do this.
Take it on and off and put it on and ready to go. I mean, it's just like so super quick. It took me probably about 2 seconds to feel comfortable with this.
So you can change the sounds here, basically.
Oh, I like that right there. This is fucking insane.
Nice. Oh, yeah. This is really cool. I always appreciate really amazing guitar players, but I feel like I can be one with this instrument.
The execution here, definite game changer for some people. I mean, Arabian Prince uses it for crying out loud. That's awesome.
This is also an effect, so. Same here. And even here.
Oh, whoa.
Oh yeah, it's fucking awesome. Right. Yeah, it's awesome. Well, the tangibility makes it easier to just manipulate because it feels like a real instrument rather than a software instrument.
As far as like picking up something to jam with some friends, this is the perfect thing for it.
So what do you think?
I love the modularity of it and all of this fitting in a backpack together.
Bingo.
Yep.
For me, I love it because I travel a lot. You can just pull it out and start, working on projects or just playing music.
You can see it on the video, but actually feeling it is a whole different thing. A lot of fun. You saw it. It's so much fun.
It allows me to stay in the zone. I already have another melody in my head. Switch it on, and then boom.
She never really lets me jam on her sessions, so you forced her to allow me to jam on her sessions.
The best part is everything. The best part of this product is literally everything. You guys can leave, I'll keep playing with this, like, it's cool.
We had really good vibes today with great people discovering the Joue play. We're really excited to be back on Kickstarter. We're ready to manufacture the product in France and we'll make it sustainably. So back the Joue play today.
We can't wait to hear what you make.
Merci. Au revoir.
You guys all stop